Velasco. Great morning po!
Hello, good morning. I hope everybody is doing good today. So, magandang buhay and congratulations po kay sa mga taong nandito and attending always sa ating Virtual Nutrition Club, especially yung ating MC Promilin and yung ating sharing ng healthy breakfast si Monica. And of course, yung mga na-invite natin na mga guests to share their amazing result. Maraming salamat po sa inyong time. And today, we have this topic na very exciting because we're talking about yung ating retreat tea. So, dito malalaman natin ano ba itong product na to na not so not so long ago na nilaunch dito sa ating sa ating bansa. So, but of course, syempre, hindi naman pwede pagka we have to really tell our journey here sa Herbalife. So let me just show my slides. Ayan. So my name is Alvin Velasco and I've been a member of this company called Herbalife for 11 years now. And as you can see, ang results ko po, weight loss. But syempre, pagka weight loss ka, no, pag malaki kang ganyan, you're obese, syempre maraming kaakibat na pains, aches, and discomfort yan, di ba? So, I balloon into 192 pounds kasi, yun nga, hindi natin alam yung nutrition ng araw, no? What we really delve into is, syempre, hanap buhay. And my background po is I am a salesman sa Binondo. Siyempre, sa Binondo, maraming pagkain eh. And I handle key accounts sa over Metro Manila. And most of the time, yung aking mga pagkain nasa labas lang, no? And these are fast food. So, I balloon into 192 pounds. And then, to cut it short, nakilala kong aking mentor, ang aking kaibigan, ang aking sponsor, si Robert Jimenez, introduces me with a simple plan. Very simple plan. Sabi niya, Alvin, all you need to do is replace your breakfast. So kung mga bago kayo rito, yan po yung unang gawin nyo. Just replace your breakfast. So that yung iyong katawan po, no, when you early morning, ma-feed lahat yung mga cells na pangangailangan just like Monica explained sa healthy breakfast kanina. And so on the first month, I lost about 25 pounds and amazing 7 inches sa aking waistline, no? At nawala lahat yung discomfort na my toes, my knees, my shoulder, my head. Lahat yun may pain. And so this company really gives a lot kasi pagka nabago yung lifestyle, then opportunity keeps knocking in and we responded. So nag-aral tayo and recently nga I was criticized, no? May nagtanong sa aking FB page that why we are doing this session every day, BNC. Hindi naman daw tayo mga doktor and everything. So I guess we have to really explain that one. We are not nutritionists, we're not dietitian or doctors, but alam mo yung mga coaches sa Herbalife, especially when you are a leader na 10 years na, 11 years, ang dami mo nang na-accumulate na knowledge those training abroad, no? Especially when training abroad, hindi naman basta-basta yung nagtitrain sa atin. These are expert na mga doctors, no? Mga scientists. On hand yan, talagang face to face. And most of the time, pagka nasa leadership ka, nakakahalubilo mo to. And I want to show you some pictures of this one para lang baka nanonood yung nag-criticize sa atin. Makita niya, no? So this one, I attended a lot of trainings. And these are the doctors. Katulad niyan, si Gary Small. Yan, expert sa brain yan. Si Dr. David Heber, no? and si Luigi Graton. These are the expert ng Herbalife Nutrition, not only in Herbalife, but they're well known all over the world. Kaya nga, meron tayong authority to teach those things that we're teaching here, no? So, forward ko na lang yan. So, let's go back to sa ating topic. So, herbal retreat tea, no? Ano ba itong na to, no, nung retreat tea na to. So we will talk about these things. And before that one, syempre excited naman ako sa aking future, like Cecil and everybody else dito sa ating community, that we are supported with a good nutrition. 46 years na po yung Herbalife globally, supported a lot of people in their journey and weight loss, healthy active lifestyle, targeted nutrition, healthy aging, you name it, nandito po sa Herbalife. And for a company to thrive for this long 4 decades, magpa 5 decades na, this company has shown every single uh, every single data and digits that we have accomplished, no? Na the data speaks itself that this company is really a great company and helping a lot of people. So let me just fix my slides. So ano ba itong herbal retreat tea, no? We will talk about the facts, yung product overview niya and benefits, and we will talk about how to prepare this tea and direction at ano yung recommendation. And of course, yung kung meron tayong list of frequently asked question about this one. Okay? So, before that, bakit ba to na-invento itong tea na to? Kasi we have one tea na yung ating original na flavor na tea, no? Yung herbal tea natin. Alam na natin, most of these people dito sa BNC alam na yon. And of course, yun yung una nating ginagamit during the day because it boosts our mood, it boosts the energy, it has a very powerful antioxidant, it burns fats, yung tea natin. So this one, we're talking about level of stress today. Napakadami pong mga tao na very stressful. And too much stress can cause negative effects. Now, don't wag niyong isipin na ang stress masama. No, stress can be good if you're doing something. It makes you do something, it makes you achieve something. Yung cortisols na yan na stress hormones can always help you. Pero kung chronic stress na, yung mga cortisols na yan, naka-imbak na sa'yo because every single minute stress ka, ayun po ang delikado kasi yan, it creates havoc in your system, sa body mo, at sa pag-iisip mo, no? So it can leave us in a permanent state of fight or flight. Biruin mo, pagka ang katawan mo, ang mode niya is to defend you always, wala na siyang panahon para i-replenish yung mga kailangan and to heal your body. That's the thing about stress no? Kasi the body can only choose one thing between the two. It's either make you well or defend you kasi meron kang problema. When you are in the stress mode, lagi lang naka-defend yung defensive mode yung katawan mo. So, no time for your body to heal. This is uh, how you would understand kung bakit number one killer yung stress, no? So, stress is one of the biggest issue, lalong-lalo na sa workplace. And the data shows, no, 75% of those people working, they don't like their jobs, no? Because of the trend today na underpaid and everything. So imaginein mo pumapasok ka every day, hindi mo naman gusto yung trabaho mo. How yung level of stress accumulate in a certain way na hindi mo namamalayan, but then at the end of the day nakikita mo na talagang grabe yung effects sa katawan mo. So how do we deal with these things, no? Ito yung pinupunto natin. So next, eto data. Many Asia Pacific consumers said they experience worry during the past days. Lalo-lalo na during the past years nung nagkaroon tayo ng pandemic, that's a very terrible thing na na-experience ng buong mundo. And luckily, we have a community like our Virtual Nutrition Club that supports us mentally. That time, mentally talaga yung kailangan natin. It's not always physical, ano, nakakulong ka lang sa bahay, hindi mo alam anong mangyayari, hindi ka makalabas. So, mental fatigue, mental stress and everything, no? Ang Pilipinas, oh, tingnan mo yung rate niya, no? It's about 34%. So, marami po talaga. And across Asia Pacific, 76% of consumers says they are actively seeking ways to reduce stress. Halos lahat ng mga tao, they're finding ways because they know na ang sagot hindi medisina eh. The only way that medicine can help you is to alleviate your pain and to manage the pain also. But yung root cause niyan, most of the doctors are trained that way, di ba? Pag masakit ang ulo, bigyan ka ng gamot. So, most of these things can only manage the pain and manage your situation, yung health mo. But there is no actual medicine that promotes a healthy well-being, no? Wala eh, di ba? Let's face the truth. At saka, eto nga, 57% experience worsen mental health. So it makes sense eh when your body deprived of a certain thing, yung mekanismo niya hindi gagana. So madadamage talaga pati yung pag-iisip mo because it's connected eh. Especially our brain and our gut. Ito yung dalawang brain natin that really rules kung ano yung chemicals, lahat ng mga hormones na gagawin, enzyme and everything. This is the two organs that communicate in doing such thing. So next, so consumers are looking for products, no? Tamang-tama nga itong products na to that help them reduce stress and promote relaxation. So this is the thing about this retreat tea. It was created para dito sa mga sitwasyong ganito, no? At so, yung important health claims, percentage of consumers just look for claim in products they buy. So, the consumers not only believe na pagka nakita nila yung product, ayan daw, sabi nila, ano yan, stress relief. Hindi eh. They try to tend to look at it, the product very, no, very well, no? And yung iba, ang hinahanap talaga, ang 29% is looking for immune boosting. Kanina sinabi natin meron tayong Immulip. And that's very timely po sa panahon natin, no? Then, a lot of people, like 18%, helps reduce stress. Naghahanap talaga sila para ma-alleviate yung stress nila, no? And of course, yung 14%, sabi nila, kailangan meron akong produkto na during the end of the day, during that battle, no? Pagka nagpahinga tayo, meron tayong tinitik na product to relax. So this is the promising claims that we are in. And what are the signs of stress? Kailangan pag-usapan din natin to kasi most of people very tolerable sila sa pain, no? Sa discomfort. And not because their body was built, but because wala silang magawa eh. Nasanay na sila sa everyday life eh, no? Na wala tayong magawa. So we have to deal with this stress. And we have to be very much aware na yung stress naman talagang ano yan, number one killer yan, no? It's not heart attack, it's the stress. So ito yung mga physical signs, no? Aches and pains na katulad ng naranasan ko when I was so overweight. Lagi kang may headache, fatigue, yung muscle fatigue na yan, wag niyong iindahin na, wag niyong masyadong isipin na ganyan lang yan. It's much, much more. Your body is telling you something, no? And minsan, stomach upset, no? Stomach upset kasi worrying a lot of things. Ang epekto niyan agad sa digestive system, sa kidneys, no? And minsan, nahihilo ka. No, these are the physical signs that your body is under stress. In the mental, ano naman, yung cognitive, madalas ka nang makalimot. no? Siguro sa dami ng iniisip mo, sa dami ng iniisip mo, marami ka nang nakakalimutan, di ba? Ganun lang yung effect niyan eh. Cause and effect yan eh. So, poor poor concentration. Minsan when you're doing something, hindi ka makapag-initiate ng mabuti, no? And what else? Mental block. Minsan hindi mo alam yung susunod na sasabihin mo. By the way, minsan nangyayari sa atin yan, di ba? And of course, difficulty and recognizing, no? Minsan hindi ka makapag-decide kung anong gagawin mo. So these are the things that during this high level of stress nangyayari sa mental space mo. And about the emotional naman, ito, very ano to, no, sa panahon ngayon, lahat ng tao emotional. They tend to lean more on the emotional aspect ng kanilang buhay. Kaya minsan marami talaga nagkakasakit. Laging galit, worrying. Alam mo, when you're angry, nako, ang unang madadamage sa'yo yung liver mo. That's the effect, no? That's the effect of being angry. Yung liver mo. Pagka-worry ka naman, handaan mo, yung iyong intestine, yung kidneys mo, yun ang maapektuhan. So, tense ka, irritable ka, depressed, overwhelmed, and restless. These are the emotional sign. Yung behavioral naman, minsan umiiyak ka na lang, wala namang reason. These are the signs of how your body is coping up para ma-relieve yung automatic kasi yung body natin. It's very intelligent. Kung kailangan mong umiyak, paiyakin ka niya just to lessen the burden of this all the organs in our body. Poor appetite, failing, difficulty sleeping, these are all signs of stress, no? Para lang malaman natin. So, paano natin what's the antidote? Of course, be observant. Recognize the sign of your body's response to stress. Very important to. Nahirapan ka matulog, you have to understand bakit ka nahirapan matulog. Baka hindi ka na naiinitan sa araw, no? These are the things na kailangan mong gamitin because yung melatonin sa araw nakukuha yan eh. Hindi yan nasa loob ng bahay. So, number two, talk to somebody. Hindi lang healthcare, to somebody. Like dito sa BNC, pag may problema ako, minsan si Cecil yung nilalapitan ko, no? And it's really good we have these people na may mga advice ka nakukuha sa kanila. So, get regular exercise. Exercise doesn't always mean na you get the dumbbell, you hit the gym. No. You have to move your body, stretch, go outside, feel the nature. These are all the things that can help your body. And of course, try a relaxing activity. Kung gusto mo mag-yoga ka, no, mag-pilates, or just go outside for a walk under those forests, sa dagat, maraming paraan to connect with nature and it can help your body just to relax. Kausapin mo yung crush mo or be with your wife, with your spouse. Connect, no? Have an intimate moment. These are the things that you have to learn to cope up with stress. Okay? So, set goals and priorities. Pagka meron kang goals, just we always do here in Herbalife, no? Meron kang goals lagi, may hinahanap ka. So, decide what must get done now and what can wait, no? Kailangan ma-identify mo yung priorities ng iyong goals. Long-term goals, short-term goals, these are all the things na para maging busy ka and yung talagang driven ka with a purpose. So that way your mind acknowledge that one at ire-ready niya yung body niya. So mawawala yung stress because you are purpose driven, no? So stay connected. You are not alone, no? Keep in touch with people who can provide emotional, not only physical but emotional, very important 'yun. Support and practical help, katulad ng sinasabi ko. This BNC is one of the best thing na nangyari sa aming pamilya that supports everything in our family when it comes to emotional, no? To reduce stress. Ask for help from friends, families, and community or religious, even religious organization. Importante po yan, no? Ah, and of course, nutrition is one of the best pillar po na lagi nating sinasabi dito sa BNC, di ba? Alam na natin yan. We keep doing it every day. And nutrition is not only eating. It's supposed to eat yung body mo, yung cells mo ang feed me with all the nutrients that your body needs. Yun ang ibig sabihin nun. We always discuss that one sa healthy breakfast. So, eto na, ano? Herbal Retreat Tea. No, ito yung overview niya and benefits. So, Herbal Retreat Tea is all about soothing the body and mind. No? Dalawa talaga ang target nito, the body and the mind. Specially formulated with an herbal blend of lemon balm. Alam mo, itong lemon balm, matagal na ito for very ancient times. The Eastern countries that's pioneered sa mga herbs uses this one para mag-relax po yung ating mind, no? We have that chamomile, we have that lavender and passion flower. Ito yung four main ingredients itong ating tea na to, which directly focuses how to mend or relax the body and mind. No, how amazing is that one, no? Kaya tamang-tama yung pangalan niya, retreat, no? Galing ka sa giyera, mag-retreat ka muna. So, you can have a better position, a better strength, a better energy to cope up with everyday's life. Then, ang ating, by the way yung lasa nito, peppermint, mint, napakasarap po, no? So, next, yun, sinabi ko nga, ano, formulated with a herbal blend of lemon balm, chamomile. Tingnan mo, 4 calories. Parang hindi na nga calories siya, no? Almost 0 calories. And if you're looking for a hot beverage, no, na walang caffeine, you got this one. You got this thing na napakaganda, no? And kung ikaw naman maselan masyado, gusto mo non-GM, no? Genetically modified na product, eto rin, no? A lot of people doesn't really understand what's a genetically modified product, no? It's not all bad. It's been invented para to give us more benefits, but a lot of people, a lot of scientists, a lot of mga ano no mga big companies ginagawa nila ito, no? They make this GMO very unhealthy. No artificial flavor. Wala, no? Kung ano siya, yan lang talaga yung lasa niya, no? And these are the components of this tea, no? Herbal retreat tea is formulated with the help that unwind after a long or hectic day. Di ba? Ito yung pinakanya. It is for consumers with a restful evening goal. Kung gusto mong talagang magpahinga, mag-take ka nito. They strive to maintain overall health in their daily life. So we are recommending this one every day or even more in a single day to take this one, no? Product that will support their wellness journey, okay? So how to enjoy your cup of serenity? Take note of that, ha? A cup of serenity, no? Nowadays, wala na yatang serenity, no? You have to find one for yourself, okay? So, napakasimple lang po, no? Kung ang original tea natin is 1/2 teaspoon, ito, kalahati lang, 1/4 lang. Wala ka nang kailangan ihalo. That's it. Drink that one and enjoy your afternoon, okay? So, any tea, anytime. So, sabi ko nga sa inyo, we have this tea that during the day, kasi we recommend that you stop taking caffeine siguro mga 3 o'clock kasi yung half-life kasi ng caffeine 8 hours yung half-life niyan eh. So if you're planning to rest ng mga 10 o'clock, maybe you should stop taking caffeine mga around 6 o'clock. Kung alas 10 ka, kung mas maaga, kung halimbawa alas 7 ka natutulog, you have to stop taking caffeine mga 3 or 4, no? And after that, what do you take for relaxation? Ito na yung natin for that certain moment, no? With your loved ones, nakaupo kayo and seeing the sunset, or with your kids, nasa bahay kayo dahil umuwi ka galing sa trabaho, enjoy the tea, or even ikaw lang, you have your own moment, me moment, grab that cup, pour some hot water, at saka timplahin nyo yung retreat tea. Napakasarap po, no? Yan po ang ano natin. So, what are the questions behind this product? Sabi nga nila, what are the ingredients and benefit in this product? Nasabi ko na po, ano, yung apat na yon. We have that chamomile, lavender, passion flower, and we have that yung lemon balm. So how many servings per container? Uh, how many servings per container? Parang hindi ko nasabi, ano? Let me just look at kung ilan talaga yung... So it's 60 serving. Imaginein mo sa isang maliit na bote na yan, 60 servings po, ano? And how should I take the product? So kailangan i-shake mo muna yung bottle mo para mag-loosen yung powder, and then 0.8 grams lang. Parang 1/4 teaspoon lang yan, no? And 360 ml of hot water. So, can I drink it cold? So, for an optimum experience, this product should be prepared hot or warm. No, wag na yung malamig kasi meron ka ng on that day, meron ka na yung ating original eh. So, ito, pang mainit talaga to, no? So, ano pang mga question? Does this product contain artificial colors, flavors, and sweeteners? Nasabi ko na yan kanina, wala po. Okay? How much caffeine is in the relaxation tea? Is there any caffeine? Nasabi ko na rin, zero. Zero caffeine. Is this product non-GM? Of course. Hindi siya genetically modified. How is relaxation tea, itong retreat natin, different from herbal tea? So, wala pong stand-alone tea that has all the benefits of those four herb. Wala pong ganun eh. Dito lang sa Herbalife yan, no? Diyan tayo, diyan tayo may edge, no? And of course, hindi nga siya genetically modified and wala siyang caffeine. That's the edge, no? How this retreat tea different? Yun na ang pinaka-edge niya, no? So, ano pa? So, this retreat tea helps supports relaxation and calming of the body and mind. Yan ang lagi niyong tandaan with this product. So, where does herbal retreat tea fit in? So, marami po yung mga gustong mag-relax, gustong matulog ng maaga, to unwind every yung high level of stress, kailangan niyo po ito. Or having to go with your intimate moments, you have this tea. After the massage, you have this tea. Marami pong mga targeted to na customer, no? So, what else? What happens if I miss dose? Walang problema. Walang ano yan. And of course, walang overdose din ito. Are there any side effects? Wala pong side effects. Gaganda lalo ang pakangatawan mo, no? Magiging relax ka, magiging mabait ka. Magiging you can utilize yourself. You will be useful every day. Even at the peak moment na galing ka na sa trabaho, you are with your family, it can really boost this calmness, no? Kasi pag kalma ka, wala kang stress, you can deal with whatever it is that throws your way, even a lot of stress, no? What is the product shelf life? Shelf life, hindi natin na-discuss kanina. 2 years. Imagine mo, 2 years. So don't worry about that one. Is this product safe for children? Now, this product is designed only for adults, no? Wag na po nating, pag sinabing adults, 18 years old. Okay? So, is this product safe for pregnant women? Yes, this product is safe for pregnant women. This product is not formulated with caffeine. And if you are pregnant or lactating, please consult your doctor. Mas mabuti yung wala tayong ginagawang against doon sa ating doctor, no? Do I have to store in hindi na po kailangan i-store sa ref yan. Okay? So thank you very much. Medyo mahaba po itong retreat tea. I hope you've learned a lot from this product and go hit the ilagay nyo na sa basket yan, i-add nyo na, bumili na kayo ngayon. See you at the spectacular. Maraming salamat po sa pakikinig. Thank you guys. Back to you, Promeline.
Thank you, Coach Alvin, for the clear and informative information po, discussion about sa stress and how our Herbalife Retreat Tea help on managing it po. Ano po? So, sa mga nandito po, sa mga nasa Zoom po today, thank you for your time po. Thank you for your time as today and especially po sa ating mga first-timer. So, see you po sa tomorrow again for our next VNC session with special topic pa rin po. Ano po? So, invite more people po na matutulungan natin dito